Man, look at this, man. Look, bro, I ordered groceries. I can't even get my groceries.
You ain't ready, my nigga. You ain't ready, my gang. When I come through with all of my hitters, we ain't snitching, we ain't saying no names. Me and my killers kill the party, and niggas run up on us, they be drinking like Hop in the whip and then we instantly catch a body.
What's up, soldiers? You wanna be a little soldier? Well, come join some soldiers. Today we back, but it ain't good, y'all. We flooding out here. Oh, shit. This is like an hour in. It only been raining for an hour. That's how bad our drains is down here, man. Nobody wanna clean them. Yeah. Shit, at least somebody ate good. Right down. Man, look at this, man. Look, bro, I ordered groceries. I can't even get my groceries. But look, thank y'all for my 900 subscribers. Your boy almost at 1,000. Now this is our steps coming to the front door. Water's almost in. I'm zoomed in. Whoa. This is the second wave of rain. Hold up, wait. Second wave of rain. We're in the 7th ward of New Orleans, bro. My city. The water real deep down now. Look at that Infinity, got stuck trying to drive past.
Hey, boss.
Yeah, we got oil coming out the drain. I don't know where it's coming from. It's just our city, man. There's no street left on the side of our house. Y'all see the stop sign right here. No street left on the side of our house. It look like a lake out here. The water done made its way. The oil from the street is mixing in with this water and it's getting in the house too. So we're gonna have to clean up. I bet you any money. I say in about 3 hours, water gonna be down and we outside.
my truck, man. Look at my truck, man. Yeah, water in the house. Bro. To look good to dive in there.
You lucky it's waterproof, go get it.
It's crazy, bruh. It really like we on an island. A little dirty island. A little dirty island, bruh. It's tough.
Two hours later.
And just like that, New Orleans was back again. The rain done cleared up, and we supposed to go to an arcade today, but Victoria and them still asleep because they didn't want to go to sleep last night. I see when they get up.
Right. Alright. What's down, my little soldiers? If you want to be a soldier, come join some soldiers.
What you doing, bro?
Huh?
What you doing?
I mean, I did it right.
Nah, you did it right. Let me tell you how.
So you have to.
What's down, my little soldiers? You want to be a little soldier? We'll come join some soldiers today. We got, you know the name,
Christian boy. All day, every day.
and you know it's your boy Mop XMG. Today we got a men's fashion overhaul. we got a men's fashion overhaul. Let me see. I guess we just gonna go outfit for outfit, bro. What you said?
Today we trying on Fashion Nova clothes. Today, you know, Fashion Nova, one of my favorite places to shop.
Mine too.
But yeah, man, we can go ahead and get into this video, and y'all make sure y'all have on y'all masks. Practice social distancing. COVID-19 is out there, and it's serious.
My fit, this the fit y'all will catch me in the wintertime at the mall. Say my little soldier want to take a picture or something. This the type of fit y'all will catch me in at the mall.
You got this one for the winter time. You got this one for any time, really. You can bust this anytime. Long sleeve, pants, shoes, anything, you know. Something casual, something light.
So that was the first outfit. So down below, y'all tell me which one y'all liked it better. My outfit, Chris outfit. Winter outfit, anywhere outfit. Outfit number 2. Outfit. Look, this outfit number.
Tell me what y'all think, you know?
Outfit number 2 now. You can start this one.
Fashion Nova mask. Fashion Nova hoodie. You know, there's something right here I can bust, you know, out. I can go out. I'm gonna bust it somewhere easy. Easy, no problem. All looks. Hey,
And where would I wear this? No, this the outfit I would wear to a cookout. I would wear this outfit to a cookout. A cookout in like spring. This would be my outfit right here. Where it be not too hot, not too cold. You can wear what you want. You can wear shorts. You can wear pants. You be straight. Oh yeah, y'all tell me what outfit y'all like best for outfit number 2 down below. Outfit number 2.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
tell me.
Oh yeah.
This fit number 4. Y'all tell me which ones y'all like the best down below in the comments right now. Right now. We waiting on you. You done? Alright, let's get back into the video. This is not a Fashion Nova outfit. I just like the outfit.
No, it's not. This is.
This straight from the Arab store. This is to get down in New Orleans.
This right here, Fashion Nova short sleeve. Here, jacket, pants.
Straight out 8.
Y'all let me know what y'all think.
Outfit number 5. Man, big.
Son, I can't even tell you what I wear this with. Or 4. But you know, I'm definitely hitting the house party with this one.
House party, this is a block party here. Here I got the forces on, so you know they gotta be in the hood with this one. G-Nights. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this one at a block party.
House party for me. Gotta be inside.
Look, and there you have it, folks. That's the end of the male version of Fashion Overhaul. Yeah. Y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna be back at y'all with another video. It's my
It's your boy C.
and we out.
Kill the party and niggas run up on us, they be drinking. Hop in the whip and then we instantly catch a body.